The second Northeast Food Show 2022 was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, on Thursday, the 5th of May 2022 at the POLO grounds, Shillong. Dignitaries present included Sikkim Chief Minister PREM TAMANG, Meghalaya's Agriculture Minister BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH, the Chief Secretary Government of Meghalaya, Rebecca V. SUCHIANG, diplomats and trade delegates from across the country and the globe, besides other invitees and participants. During the event, a coffee table book on Mission Lakadong was also launched. An interactive session on agriculture marketing potential of Northeast, challenges and opportunities was also part of the inaugural event.
I remember coming here in 2019 and I remember seeing the packaging of the same entrepreneurs, their products. They were selling wine in an old beer bottle which was used, for some other brand. They had got some simple, whiskey bottle which was left over. They washed it and they put the wine into it. And today, coming back to this pavilion after 3 years, those same winemakers have got bottles and packaging that is as good as any other product in the world. That is what this food show is about. And as I said, we don't expect that we'll see results in the next 1 day, 2 days, 1 year, 2 years. No. When we touch 75 years, we would like to look back, whether we are there or not, but as a state, we'd like to look back and say that yes, we have made a difference. That is the vision with which we are working on.